They sent us 2. So we're gonna have a giveaway in this video. Oh gosh, that's so funny. That's it?
Speed Square?
It's
and a bigger one. No, we stopped at the Jeep.
Oh, I was gonna say.
He wanted to see if they could show me one of the compasses.
Right, let's see if we can
they
see.
didn't have them.
One of the what?
The Jeep compass.
Oh.
They didn't have it. Yeah, I see it.
All right, pick it up. Let's go bring it to the shed.
I can bring it if y'all want to do the next one.
Well, I want to.
Well, we gotta
test fit it. Okay, I'm gonna flip it real quick, Nate, and we're gonna clean these. All right, so let's see if we know what we're doing. Or if we're just pretending.
We are just pretending, but you know, you kind of learn as you do it, right? All right, the first piece of board onto the chicken coop. All right, let's see if your trick worked. You're evil or you're a genius?
There we go.
No, that one's way off. This one's way off.
Do you need to flip it?
They're all off. Huh?
Put that one on Nathan's end.
Maybe it's.
Now we need the crowbar. Huh? Okay.
All right, baby. Crowbar it up. Come over here on this. Okay, we got it. Nice job.
All right.
All right, let's see if we turn it this way.
Oh.
Oh, that's much better.
Yay!
We had it on backwards.
Okay.
All right, you want to put the screws in?
Sure.
Washer and a screw. Like a glove.
Yay, we're getting the chicken coop done. We're only on one piece of wood and I'm so happy.
All right, time to go in. Not perfect. We'll have to get the saws all in.
It's okay.
All right. Screws.
It's a chicken coop. It doesn't have to be perfect.
No, it has to be perfect.
Hey.
This is going to be where Leia's going to sit all day long, protecting her chickens. Yeah. So here's my evil plan. We'll get some baby chicks, and we'll introduce them to the baby chicks. Introduce her to the baby chicks.
Chicks are cheap, so if she eats a couple of them along the way.
Well, no, we're not going to let her eat them. We're going to train her that these are her babies and she has to take care of them. I guess I'll have to look up some YouTube videos on how to do that.
All right, I think we continue tomorrow.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You done?
Yes, the weather. We're about to get hit by a lot of snow.
Okay. That's fine.
But at least we know our evil
In
plan.
a good snowfall.
Big flakes.
Definitely getting some good snow. Might be able to go sledding tomorrow. Let's go.
Look at those snowflakes, dude.
I think they're chips at this point.
Come here, Poppy. Come here. Pussy daddy.
I'm out here building the chicken coop, and while I'm out here, I'm using this amazing product that was sent to us. I'm super excited about this product because they sent us two. So we're gonna have a giveaway in this video. So if you comment below, any comment, it doesn't matter. It's gonna be like our last giveaway. Comment, I'll cut them out and put them in a bag, and I'll draw one, and you will be the winner, and I will mail you one of these. So you're probably asking me, what is this thing? All right, so this amazing thing I'm about to show you is actually a tripod. And the first feature I want to show you is that you hold it up here, you hit it, and it opens up, and it's very stable. I've been using all around the snow to record myself building the chicken coop. It's been amazing. The next feature I want to show you, and I'm just going to close it for this real quick, is this. It just pulls out. Look how tall. So it's taller than me. I'm 5'2". Also, when your phone is on here and it's this tall, your phone doesn't wobble over. Of course, if you have it on an unstable surface, it might fall over, but it doesn't fall over. The other feature I wanted to show you was the simplicity of putting your phone in. And I wish I had another phone that I could show this with you, but all you do is stretch this out and you stick your phone in there. And it's got these little rubber end pieces right here, so it keeps it in place. And the other awesome thing is you can just turn it. Anytime you want to turn your phone a different way, all you have to do is move this little head. I have another tripod that I've been using, and it really has been super annoying because to open it up, you have to unscrew it, pull it out, unscrew it, pull it out. It doesn't go as high as this one. The little piece right here that holds the phone, you have to unscrew all these little, gadgets. I cannot tell you how annoying it is. So when Kraft Geek reached out to us about these little tripods, I was so excited. I asked them to send us another one. And again, we are going to have a giveaway, but the one I'm going to give away is going to be black. The other cool feature is that it has this little remote control, and it Bluetooths with your phone, so you can take a picture, a family picture, put your arm around a family member, put this in the back, you push this little button, and it'll take your picture for you. In comparison to my other tripod, it has something very similar to this, but this thing has a magnet and it holds it in right here, so it doesn't fall out. Where the other one that I have, it kind of just clips in. I actually don't even know where the remote is, because if you throw the thing in your car, it comes off. This one stays on. It's like super cool. I love this little feature, obviously. So they are offering all of the viewers a discount code. So I will put the link in our description for the discount. I absolutely love this product. 100% recommend it. And I hope that if you know somebody out there that uses their phone like we do, or if you just want to have something to take family pictures with, I would go with this one. And it's not super expensive either. Go seek adventure with your new tripod. It's like every footprint, she sticks her nose. What are you doing, girl? Are you having fun?
Snow day!
Yay!
Yay!
Not too hard. Okay, let me go. You didn't like that?
Leia, wipe this out. Yep. Here comes your mom. This is real snow.
She's so funny.
Leia has some pretty big snowballs on her paws. She's trying to get them off right now. Ooh, it kind of hurts, I think, when you pull on them. Yeah, we're gonna have to get some warm water on her or something. All right, Claude's gonna be crazy, and he's gonna put his skis on and go ski down the driveway. You want your snowboard, Nate?
I don't want to put those freaking boots on.
Yeah, really. Oh, she's so tired. Look at her. Rub her belly. You rub the belly.
Snow dog.
Oh.
Got snow all over you. Oh my gosh, girl. You're a mess.
Oh.
He's a mess. I'm soaking wet.
Oh gosh, that's so funny. What are you doing, babe? Where's your helmet? Look, you have to be safe. You're gonna do stupid stuff. You have to be safe.
Oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but
Well, how was it?
you.
It was mildly entertaining.
But the sledding was definitely funner.
Sledding was more fun. But if we had more snow, it'd be fun.
It'd be an amazing run, yeah. Well, we got our own ski resort right here, babe. A little mini ski resort.
Yep.
All we need is some rope and a motor.
Stay tuned for the lift.
Yeah. We have a friend that sells electric motors, so we're counting on you, David Callender, Nemsco in Baton Rouge, Louisiana.
I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies.
We're here at the Remington Hall. It's a brand new restaurant in the Hyatt Hotel in Heber City, actually, not in Park City.
Here all the good times with you. Don't even care what we do.
Maud's trying to clear out the driveway a little bit because it's going to be, I think, getting warm enough today that all this stuff is going to melt. And then it's supposed to get super cold. So it's pretty much going to be an ice skating rink out here. And I'm sure Leia's just going to play in the snow. You have something happy to say?
Not really.
Why?
It's a wreck. Everything's a wreck.
It's just our lives right now. It's temporary. It's fine. Dogs are a wreck. Chickens are a wreck. Chickens are a real wreck. They need that house. Let me tell you,
I think it is done.
their coop is wet and nasty. According to the plans, these need to be 14 on center, and then I have to have a 36-inch opening for the door. So I'm going to measure that out. All right. So that's 5. Okay, I'm so excited. I got my first screw in to start building my wall for the chicken coop. I'm gonna try to do this by myself as much as I can. I mean, obviously I'm not gonna be able to pick the wall up by myself, but I'm gonna try to go ahead and screw all the pieces of wood together, and then need to cut the top piece and screw that in, and then I'll have Claude help me put the first wall up. And my goal is to get at least one wall up today. It's 12:30, so I'm sorry, it's 1:15. So it might be doable, might not. We do have a possible client coming to check out our property, so I'll be probably preoccupied for the next 30 minutes. I think they're going to arrive in like 15 minutes, so I'm going to hurry up and try to screw a couple of these together and at least feel like I've accomplished something for the day. Okay, I just realized on this one, I don't know if you can see this or not, but right here, I guess I did the screw a little crooked, and now it's kind of coming out a little bit there. So I'm gonna sink another one right here just to make sure that one's secure. Look, this is what I'm having a problem with, is this board moving.
Yeah, I know.
What? Anything I can do?
Huh?
I guess it worked that time. All right, got 3 in. What? What's wrong? You ready to go inside?
86 inches is what? So 86 and 3/4 is like 7'1", almost 7'3". So this difference here, you know, they're a little bit taller.
Hold on. are. All right, so now I need to pull it out and put it this way, right? Like this. All right, super excited. I got the rest of the boards cut for the back wall, and obviously it's dark outside, so I'm gonna go in and eat some dinner, go to bed, and get up in the morning and build the second wall.
The garage door people made it. They're going to put the big door in today. They messed up on the ordering of the size of the other door, but hopefully we'll get this one in. We can board up the smaller garage door and get this place heated up. All right, so we got a little drama here. We may not know, but it looks like these have panes in them, but this one came out the box and it didn't have a window pane in it, so it's just weird. So, but anyway, let's see what happens when they open the next one. So it looks like 2 of the panels didn't have glass, and 5 of the panels have glass. Well, unfortunately, we had a few problems with the doors here, but I will say this. The texture of the door is amazing. So I really like these doors. They really came out really well, and I'm looking forward for them to fixing their little errors in their measuring and getting that other door installed. All right, the guys are putting the finishing touches on the garage here. We have a little controller. Got my electrician, my super electrician here. Hey! Getting us fixed up. And there it goes. First try. Sounds great. We got the hot dog up and running. We are heating the RV garage. And that's just awesome. Things are looking up.
We're setting up our table close by so we don't have to keep hauling stuff into the garage to cut it. Don't get electrocuted. Stop. Higher bed. All right, we got 2 walls up. Now I'm going to work on this wall right here, the 2 side walls. See how far I get before it gets way too cold. All right, so I have 1 more board to cut, well, 2 more boards to cut. So I want to explain to you what I'm doing here. I'm cutting 2 boards because both of these walls, this wall and this wall, will be the same, but they're gonna have a gradual slope to them because this is gonna be the front of the coop right here. And then the roof line is going to slope like this. so the snow will shed that way. Hope that makes sense. I don't know if you can tell, but it's pretty stinking cold right now. And there's absolutely no sun right here in this location because the sun's over there right now and the RV garage is right there. And yeah, it blocks all the sun. Anyway, it's so cold that I'm gonna go ahead and cut my last board, and then we're probably gonna have to go to the store and buy some more boards, or we're gonna have to go look in the trash pile because I need 2 boards that are longer than what I have right here. So anyway, I think I'm gonna cut those 2 and then I'm gonna call it a day and get back to work again tomorrow. I'll have maybe like a half a day work tomorrow and then have to go run to the store and pick up some hummus and some crackers to bring to a party. So we're going to some of our friends' house for New Year's Eve, and we're gonna eat some gumbo and just have a little get together.
Guys, that's all we have for you this week.
We want to thank Kraft, Geek for sending us 2 tripods, and one of these we're going to give away. Don't forget to comment below so that you can be included in the drawing.
And remember,
unplug,
reconnect,
and seek adventure.
Yay, high five. Woo, high five. Hey, there she is.
Also, if you don't win the tripod, you can go down in the link to buy them with our discount. I think with our discount it's like $35 or 30 something dollars.
It actually works really well.
They're great for the price. These are great.
Yep.
See you next
See you next
Saturday.
week.